Hello there, my friends, and welcome to this My Lead Gen Secret training. It's the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, sharing with you simple ways for you to earn a passive income online. What you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, smash that notification bell so you don't miss out more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be sharing with you how to use My Lead Gen Secret. And if you stick around to the very end of this training, I will be sharing with you proof of the results that I'm getting from using My Lead Gen Secret this way, and also showing you how you can get access to some amazing bonuses. Now, if you're not aware of My Lead Gen Secret, it's a platform that gives you access to 100 fresh USA email leads like clockwork every single day. You don't need to have a website, don't need to spend money on paid traffic, and it costs as little as $1 per day. So most people spend money on traffic, and the reason they're spending money on traffic is to actually generate leads. So what if you could surpass the traffic method and go straight to the leads? So let me show you here in my back office how it works. So here's my back office, and I have every single day I get 200 fresh USA email leads, and in the next 13 hours another 200 leads will appear in my back office. Now these leads are not just email leads. I have the phone number, email addresses, physical addresses, and they are time-stamped as well as when they filled out the form looking for home-based business opportunity. Now, how you can use this platform and how I use it is very simple. Every day I come in here into my back office. I can actually show you before I go to mailing system, but you can see here I send out emails on a daily basis. So the last email I sent, this is my second account, was sent out to 86,100 leads. So I have another account with more than 100,000 leads. So every day I'm emailing these leads. So how you can use My Lead Gen Secret is the leads will come in like clockwork every day. You just select all, email all the leads. And if you have emails that are proven to convert, you can actually click the email here because My Lead Gen Secret allows you to save your emails, and you can even personalize your subject line, personalize the email, right? And then you hit perfect timing so the email is sent around, it increases the open rate, and there's you can preview your email, test the links, and then hit send. So the way to use My Lead Gen Secret is quite a few ways. I use My Lead Gen Secret to generate leads and sales for My Lead Gen Secret itself. So I actually send emails promoting My Lead Gen Secret to the My Lead Gen Secret leads. So let me show you here the proof of the commissions I've earned from the second account, how these leads are actually converting. So here, wherever you see My Lead Gen Secret, MLGS, these are leads converting from the system. Wherever you see signature, these are email leads that actually went into the signature and created an account. So you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 leads actually went into the signature and actually upgraded in My Lead Gen Secret. The reason I had My Lead Gen Secret in the signature is because this is the second way that you can use My Lead Gen Secret is by promoting other offers. So I'll promote other offers, and then in the signature, I would put a link to My Lead Gen Secret. So not only would I get leads to the different offers I have, I'd also get leads and sales to My Lead Gen Secret itself. Now, that's how I use My Lead Gen Secret. Another way that I use My Lead Gen Secret is to promote ClickBank offers. So let me go into my ClickBank back office here and show you. Every 90 days, I get about $400 on average dollars every 90 days. And these commissions are simply by promoting My Lead Gen Secret leads to ClickBank offers, and they do go ahead and upgrade. So you can see here the commissions almost this week has been $0, but every single week on average $20, $29, $48, and we actually track our which emails are converting. So paid to read, that's the last email that converted to ClickBank offers. So if I go into the mailing system here, and sometimes these emails actually convert days later. So paid to read, I'm not sure if you can see it. the email will literally be in here. And what I do is every time I see that the email converted into sale, I'll copy it and paste it, and I'm building up a series of emails that are converting to ClickBank. So that is how I use My Lead Gen Secret. I use it to generate leads and sales for My Lead Gen Secret itself. I use it to generate leads and sales for ClickBank offers, but I also use it to generate leads and sales for other business. Now, let me show you proof of how other marketers are using My Lead Gen Secret. So we have a Facebook group here, and it's always interesting where he uses My Lead Gen Secret to promote My Lead Gen Secret leads themselves. Danish uses the same. They both have multiple accounts. Now here, this is Rob 4. He's a top marketer. He's been with the system for over 1,000 days, which is more than 3 years. And he's just sharing here how My Lead Gen Secret leads converted to this health and wellness opportunity that he's with, right? So he sent out an email and he got leads and sales. So here you can see he's able to track where his conversions are coming from. So you can see how many hits he got, how many people actually pre-enrolled, and how many of those actually took a tour, okay? So how many of those actually upgraded. So this one's promoting My Lead Gen Secret. Warrior Plus, that's how other people use My Lead Gen Secret. They promote Warrior Plus products to My Lead Gen Secret leads. This is David Pinto sharing his results using this method of promoting Warrior Plus. Here's David again sharing. He's actually making some good money with promoting My Lead Gen Secret leads to Warrior Plus offers to My Lead Gen Secret leads. Other offers I've seen convert My Lead Gen Secret. Here is somebody, Austin, showing his results of My Lead Gen Secret as well. You can see here every single week he's actually getting sales from My Lead Gen Secret. And other offers, other opportunities that I've seen. Which one is this? This is Warrior Plus again. So yeah, this is what I've noticed that other people use My Lead Gen Secret for. They use My Lead Gen to lead to promote My Lead Gen Secret. ClickBank, I actually got the idea from the group. Warrior Plus. So Live Good is a company that Rob 4 was able to generate a sale from. And HBA, Home Business Academy, the leads convert well for that as well. So yeah, that's how you can use it, right? But whatever business opportunity I promote to these leads, I actually do getting them to opt in to my different opportunities. So it's great platform for you, especially if you're a newbie. We have bonuses for you. I said, if you stick around, let me share those with you before we wrap it up here. So what I've put together is everything that I've done to be able to generate leads and sales from My Lead Gen Secret. So here, let me show you. This is my second account. So this is one that I've earned less commissions from. But My Lead Gen Secret pays 5 levels deep. It pays recurring commissions. So from the second account, I've earned $2,249. From my first account, I've actually earned double that, 4,000 something. And what I've done is I've put together step-by-step training. So I have 9 video tutorials. The longest one you can see here is 30 minutes. The shortest ones are 5-minute videos. These videos are designed to take you by the hand, walk you step by step through how you can use My Lead Gen Secret correctly. And then once you go through the training, that's only half the equation. The second is I give you access to emails. The first emails I give you access to, they're actually an upsell where you have to pay one time for these master email swipes. Once you pay one time for them, oh, here you go. Once you pay one time for them, they populate in your back office. However, if you don't mind doing a copy and paste job, I have these emails here for you. And then I have the emails that have been proven to convert My Lead Gen Secret to My Lead Gen Secret itself. I have 14 of those. These are mostly from Rob4 and other marketers sharing this in this Facebook group. And then here, these are another set of email swipes that are shared in the Facebook group, Master Email Swipes. And then here, ClickBank, all the emails that convert ClickBank offers to my lead gen secret. So far, I have 28 of them. Once I get to 31, so I have what, three more to go. Then I'll start building those. And these emails for ClickBank are coming from the vendors of the ClickBank offers. I just give you access to them. I give you access to 50 generic email swipes that you can use to promote whatever offers that you choose. 180 emails you can use to promote whatever offer, and subject lines that are proven to increase your conversion rates. So if you're interested in checking this out, click the link in the description, create a free account. Once you've upgraded, you can always reach out to me. I'll give you access to the step-by-step training to make sure that you are able to maximize the products, the platform, right? If you have a system that's been around for more than 3 years, that's proven to convert to sales, the leads are buyer leads, they do take out the wallet and buy. And if you can get access to training on how to use the platform correctly, but most importantly, if you can get access to the email swipes that are proven to convert into sales, and the offers from ClickBank for now that are actually converting into sales, then you might then it just gives you a one step ahead from everybody else, right? So yeah, go ahead and do that. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.